Yes, I like to drink the Coke Pepsi. I like to drink milkshakes. Why I like milkshake very much. That I eat junk foods. I want to eat burgers, chicken fries. They are my favorites. A little bit scary, but why in the journey, suddenly our boat was stopped and we was very scared. My uncles are trying to solve it, but it can't.
দেখেছো কত সুন্দর করে মাশাআল্লাহ ইংরেজি বলে। আমরা মাঝে মাঝে ওর ইন্টারভিউ কভার করার চেষ্টা করব and she is quite good. ওর অনেক বড় বড় স্বপ্ন আছে. She wants to be doctor, right?
Yes.
And she wants to help poor people. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today we have another new guest and she is Nabiha with us. And she's a wonderful lady and she can speak fluently. She has a lot of dream to do something in her life. So I'm very lucky to get her here and to have a nice interview with her. So let's get introduced to Nabiha, right? Okay, so Nabiha, can you just tell me yourself? Tell something about yourself.
My name is Samir Shaheen. I read in class 5 at Gajipur Khatama Public School and College.
Okay.
I live in Gajipur. I have one brother. His name is Umar Abdullah. He's 2 years old.
Okay. So is he a good boy or he's a naughty?
Good, naughty, both.
Both. Okay. Do you like him?
Yes, I like him
Okay. How much do you love him?
so much.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about your country.
Yes.
Do you like your country?
Yes, I like my country.
Okay. So how many places have you visited in your country?
I visit Coxsbazar, Bandarban, then the capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka.
Okay.
Then
You visited different
different places.
Can you share one of your experiences that you have visited? Any place, which one you really like to go again?
I like to go again to Bandarban. Why? We go there with my full family, with my aunties, uncles, my cousins. This is a wonderful trip, and we go very funly. We do many things. We both go to boat ride in the river. Then we do many things.
Okay. And how was the journey of boat ride over there?
There is.
Okay. They rescue you, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what food did you try over there?
I tried many foods, but I forgot it. But this time I was very small.
Oh, you were very small. Okay. And do you like hill and sea and
Yes, I
oceans?
I also see hills, mountains, and I like them.
Okay, that's great. Next time, except Bandarban,
Yes.
is there any specific place that you would like to go?
I want to go to Sylhet. Why is have cheese, forest, or what they said. I like Sylhet. I see videos of Sylhet, so
Okay.
I want to go there.
Okay. You know, there are two places that Sylhet is famous for. One is Jaflong and another is Bichanakandi. If you visit over there, you really like to visit and you will really love to go over there. Okay, there are some small river. The river is full of stone. Okay, and that is the water is very cold, but that is so much transparent. You will really love this.
Okay, I will visit.
Okay. So you are the student of Talented Kids English
Yes.
program, right?
Yes.
So how much do you like this class?
I like a lot, and I learn many things from here. And English is my favorite subject always. And I read in English version for many years. Then after from class 4, I read in Bangla version. But I like English very much. I always talk with my cousin with English. I like English very much.
Okay, that's great. So is there any specific part of the class that you really like most, like pronunciation, grammar, or talking with some specific topic or phonics?
I like to when they said to give a presentation.
Okay.
I give a presentation, answer the question, and I like it.
Oh, okay. So you like the interview and you like the
Yes.
presentation. Okay, so which specific topic you really like to talk to in presentation?
I like to talk about my dream, my future plan.
Okay, great. So can we know something about your dream or the future plan?
My dream is I want to be a doctor, and then I will study medicine and science. Many things are in here.
Okay.
I like to want to be a
So
doctor.
you want to be a doctor and you really like to help people,
Yes.
right? Even do you want to help poor people
Yes.
who doesn't have money to get the remedy for their disease?
Yes.
That's great. And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to do play with my brother, then do some crafts, and I can draw.
Crafts? Oh my god, that is very
Then
nice
I
thing.
can draw pictures,
Okay.
and my families love my pictures
Okay.
when I draw it. So yeah, I do these things.
Okay. So what kind of pictures do you like to draw?
I
Is it
like-
the natural scene or the portrait or sketching? Which one?
I like to draw like sceneries, villages, and then cute things, cute images, this sort of thing.
Okay, great. So do you like the color painting
Yes, I like to do painting with watercolor.
with watercolor? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any favorite color?
Yes, I have favorite color that is baby pink.
What?
Baby pink, like
Oh.
light pink.
Light pink. Okay. So yes, your dress is also the baby pink.
Yes.
So pink is the most common color that
Yeah.
every girls like it,
Yes.
right? Okay. And let's talk something about your favorite food. Do you have
Oh.
any favorite food you like to eat it, and you really like your mom that will prepare it for you?
Oh, I like to eat my mom's hand, like rice, chicken. Well, this was always my favorite food. In Friday, like off day when I stay home, my mother cook it and I eat with my family. I like it very much.
Okay, that's great. And any special dishes that you want to try outside or the restaurant?
I like to try almost everything, but I always try that like chicken fries, and then French fries, fried rice. I like them. I always try this.
Okay, is there any kind of drinks or junk food or fast food you
Yes.
really enjoy? Okay, wonderful. That's great. I have known many things from you about your favorite things, your dream, your future plan, a lot of things. So তোমরা সবাই ওর জন্য একটু দোয়া করবা যাতে ও আসলেই ডাক্তার হতে পারে এবং পড়াশোনা করে ও ভালো জায়গায় যেতে পারে এবং ইন দ্য মিন টাইম ট্যালেন্ট হার্টের সাথে সাথে ইংরেজিটাও চর্চা করতে পারে বিকজ ওকে আমরা পুরো ওয়ার্ল্ড ক্লাস স্পিকার বানাতে চাচ্ছি। ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু বি আ ওয়ার্ল্ড ক্লাস স্পিকার?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. So say everyone bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.